Hey everyone, welcome back to my podcast. Today, I want to share something simple but special, my shopping experience last weekend. It was one of those days when you just want to go out, refresh your mind, and buy a few things for yourself. That morning, I woke up excited. I spent almost half an hour deciding what to wear. You know that moment when you try on 5 outfits but still end up choosing the first one. Yeah, that was me. After getting ready, I grabbed my tote bag, wore my favorite sneakers, and left for the mall. The moment I entered the mall, I could feel that happy energy, lights everywhere, people laughing, music playing softly in the background. I went straight to my favorite clothing store. They were having a buy one get one free sale, and honestly, that's the best sound a girl can hear while shopping. I started picking dresses, tops, and a few pairs of jeans. The trial room was full of people, but I waited patiently. When it was finally my turn, I tried everything, and like always, I liked all of them. It's so hard to choose. Finally, I decided to buy 2 dresses and 1 top. Then I moved to the accessories section. Earrings, rings, and cute handbags. I spent so much time there. I bought a pair of silver hoops and a little pink bag that looked perfect for casual days. After all that walking, I was starving. So, I went to the food court and ordered my favorite, cold coffee and fries. I sat near the glass window, watched people walking around, and just felt relaxed. Sometimes, being alone and enjoying your own company feels so peaceful. Before leaving, I stopped by a skincare store and got a face mask and a lip balm, small things that make me happy. As I walked back home, I realized how refreshing that day had been. After all that shopping, I was super hungry, so I went to the food court and ordered cold coffee, fries, and a small burger. I sat near the big glass window, where sunlight was pouring in. I watched people walking by, families, couples, friends taking selfies, and I just smiled. There's something peaceful about sitting alone and enjoying your food while observing life around you. It felt like a little pause, a calm moment in a busy day. After eating, I explored some home decor shops. I found a cute candle with a lavender scent. I swear it smelled like heaven. I also picked up a notebook because I love journaling. Then I walked into a skincare store and grabbed a face mask and a lip balm. Nothing fancy, just small things that make me happy. By the time I was done, my hands were full of shopping bags. I felt tired but so content. I took a cab back home, and while looking out of the window, I realized how relaxing the day had been. It wasn't just about shopping. It was about giving myself time, enjoying my own company, and feeling confident again. Scene 8, Evening Reflection. When I reached home, I made a cup of tea, sat on my bed, and opened my bags one by one. Everything looked perfect, maybe not because it was expensive, but because I had chosen it with happiness. I realized something that day. Self-love isn't always about big things. Sometimes, it's about taking yourself out, buying a little something, and reminding yourself that you deserve good moments too. Outro, gentle music fades in. So that was my little shopping story. A simple day that turned into a beautiful memory. I hope you enjoyed listening to it. And if you've been too busy lately, maybe take yourself out someday. Go shopping, grab a coffee, or just walk around because you deserve. As I was about to leave the mall, something funny happened. I heard someone calling my name. I turned around and saw one of my old school friends, Ria. We hadn't met in almost 2 years. She looked just as surprised as I was. We hugged, laughed, and instantly started talking about everything school memories, teachers, and how life had changed since then. It felt so nice, catching up after so long. We even took a few selfies together, before she had to leave for her movie show. After she left, I decided to grab one last coffee before heading home. I went to a small cafe inside the mall. It had this cozy, peaceful vibe. I ordered an iced caramel latte and found a quiet seat near the corner. There were fairy lights above, soft music playing, and the smell of fresh coffee everywhere. I took out my phone, scrolled through the pictures I had clicked that day, and smiled. It's funny how simple days can bring so much joy. Thanks for tuning into my podcast. Until next time, take care, stay happy, and don't forget to treat yourself once in a while.